Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at your mechanical keyboard and thought, it's great, but it could use a little more me? Keyboards are more than just tools. They're extensions of our personality, our workspace, and our gaming setup. And today, we're diving into one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to truly make your keyboard your own, with stunning gradient keycaps. Forget dull monochromatic setups. It's time to infuse some vibrant, flowing color into your daily typing experience. What makes these keycaps so special? Let's talk about the incredible visual appeal first. We're showcasing a magnificent range of gradient options. Imagine a smooth transition across your keyboard, from a fiery red fading into a soft pink, or perhaps a calming green melding into a deep blue, a sophisticated gray, or even a playful pink graduating into a rich purple. These aren't just solid colors. They're carefully crafted to create a seamless, artistic flow that catches the eye and adds a distinct character to your desk. Each shade blends into the next with an organic elegance, offering a unique visual journey across your fingertips. Beyond the aesthetics, these keycaps are designed with versatility in mind. Whether you're rocking a compact 60% layout, a slightly larger 65%, a convenient 68%, or a more expansive 75% keyboard, we have sets tailored to fit. This means you won't have to compromise on style, regardless of your preferred form factor. No matter if you prioritize desk space or dedicated function keys, there's a gradient set that's perfect for your specific keyboard configuration. Now, let's talk about the material. These are PBT keycaps. For those unfamiliar, PBT is widely considered superior to standard ABS keycaps. It's a highly durable thermoplastic that resists shine and wear over time, meaning your keycaps will maintain their beautiful matte finish and crisp legends for much longer. The feel of PBT is also distinct. It often has a slightly textured, premium feel that many enthusiasts prefer for a more satisfying typing experience. It offers a firm, substantial feel with every press, contributing to a more enjoyable interaction. And to further personalize your look, you have a choice of print style: elegant side print or classic top print. Side print offers a cleaner, minimalist aesthetic on the top surface of the keycap, with legends subtly placed on the front face, ideal for those who prefer a sleek, legend-free top surface. Top print, as the name suggests, features the legends clearly visible on the very top of each keycap, providing immediate legibility. Both options provide excellent readability and contribute to the overall premium feel of the set, allowing you to choose the design that best suits your visual preference and typing habit. So, why should you upgrade to these gradient PBT keycaps? The benefits are clear. First and foremost, it's about transforming your keyboard's entire aesthetic. A new set of keycaps can make an old keyboard feel brand new, or elevate a new one to a work of art. The dynamic color transitions create a unique focal point on your desk, making your setup stand out from the crowd. It transforms a utilitarian device into a vibrant centerpiece. Secondly, it's about genuine personalization. Your keyboard is a tool you interact with daily. Why not make it a true reflection of your personality, your mood, or even your favorite colors? These gradient sets offer a level of customization that truly allows you to express yourself, turning a standard layout into something uniquely yours. It's an effortless way to inject character into your digital world. From a practical standpoint, the PBT material doesn't just look good, it enhances your typing experience. The durable, slightly textured surface provides a comfortable and consistent feel under your fingertips, reducing slippage and improving overall typing comfort. And because PBT resists fading and shine, your investment will continue to look fantastic for years to come, unlike many standard keycaps that quickly develop an oily sheen. It's a simple yet highly effective upgrade that offers both stunning visuals and tangible improvements to your daily interaction. Swapping out your keycaps might seem daunting at first, but it's actually incredibly straightforward. All you need is a basic keycap puller, which often comes with mechanical keyboards, or can be easily acquired. Simply use the puller to gently remove your existing keycaps, making sure to apply even pressure. Then align your new gradient PBT keycaps with the stems on your mechanical switches, typically Cherry MX style stems, and press them down firmly until they click into place. It's a satisfying DIY project that takes mere minutes to complete and yields dramatic results. Just remember to check your keyboard's layout and key sizes to ensure a perfect fit before you start. It's a quick, fun way to give your keyboard a complete makeover. There you have it, A closer look at how these gradient PBT keycaps can completely revolutionize your mechanical keyboard experience. They offer unparalleled aesthetics, superior durability, and an opportunity for true personal expression. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, a writer, or just someone who appreciates a beautiful desk setup, these keycaps are an essential upgrade. Don't settle for a generic keyboard when you can have a masterpiece that reflects your unique style. If you're ready to add a splash of gradient color and premium feel to your setup, check out the options we've discussed today. Let us know in the comments below which gradient color combination is your favorite. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and reviews on enhancing your tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.